Hello there beautiful people, welcome back again to On How channel. For people that don't know, my name is Enes, I'm working for you. So if you have any questions or video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment. I will be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back. And please bear witness for that because I made over 250 videos so far on Shopify customization. They were mostly requested by you guys. And I know some people not even subscribers, but I'm fine with that. I still make the video for them. So don't hesitate, man. If you have any video requests or any questions, just drop me a comment below. I will be happy to make a video for you or provide you the information you need. And yeah, you don't have to subscribe, or maybe now you should consider doing so, because if you don't, you lose. Now it's a very different chapter on this channel. I usually share smart customizations, but now we'll be sharing complete sections and widgets highly customizable to make a Shopify store very unique and professional without having to rely on those expensive teams or paying those expensive developers, or even worse, paying for those monthly subscription applications that will drain your money, and it's not a very good idea for a long-term project. But I give you a better deal. Scroll down to the channel, check out the videos and sections I'm sharing, and I'll let you be the judge, and I respect your decision. But for now, let me fulfill again one of the most requested videos, which is how to add the sale percentage on the sale badge on Horizon team on Shopify. Because I already made this video actually for the other teams, but people could be requesting like the new team, it looks way better and blah blah blah. Can you actually do a video on how to add the percentage on the badge? The discount percentage that will be calculated automatically and displayed on the badge. And no, not any badge that will do the job. It actually looks very good with a gradient color and interactive and shiny and so on. And you will see that in a couple of seconds. Without any more talking, let's just jump to it. As you can see, this is Shopify down team, so I always start with completely new team, nothing on it, and each video I add small customizations. By the video like 70 or 60, the team will be completely different. But I think now I reached that level already. For example, check out this all-in-one reviews carousel that will show reviews from multiple sources, Google, Facebook, Amazon, Etsy, all-in-one carousel, and it's filterable. Or even better, check out this recent sales that will show you the recent sales on your Shopify store by using your own custom code and no applications involved, and it's highly customizable. Or you want to save some money or make more money, check out this. This is the mouse cursor, right? Once I try to leave, so I would act just like I want to close the page, and this thing will show up, which is an abandoned cart pop-up reminder that will remind the user how many products he added to the cart and he didn't check out, and a button so he can go check out and pay you the money he owes you. And all of this by using your own custom code, no applications involved. But I'll let you decide, man. So let me close this actually, and let me switch back because this is a down team and it's already full of stuff. As you can see, all of this I add them in tutorials. I will close this actually and do demonstration on Horizon, which is this one. So let me open up the Horizon team, and as you can see, it will show the sale badge, and it looks very, very simple, and it's not very good. So in this video, I will show you how to transform the sale badge into the exact percentage that was discounted. For example, this one, discount is $1 or 5 or 1 second, something like that. Anyway, so it will show you it will calculate automatically the discount, and it will show the percentage for it instead in here. It will not show the original sale badge. So we'll keep this page open, do the trick, come back and see it in action. So get back to Shopify dashboard. If you're already in Shopify dashboard, click on online store, then click on teams, then click on the three dots on left of customize for the team you are using, and click on edit code. Then it will take you to the code editor for your Shopify team. And in here on the left panel, we'll need to find the specific file. Instead of looking at the folders and files like this, you might get dizzy. Use the search bar at the top left corner, and actually, you don't have to do that. Simply scroll down the description box and you will see a link, my website, completely free again. Simply click on the link and it will open up this website right here. Because I know you guys lazy, so you like to copy and paste instead of write. No worries, I got you. After you access the website, scroll down a little bit and you will see this one right here. Simply select the name of this file, product-cart-badge. Do not select .liquid, just the name for it. Copy it, get back in here and paste it in the search bar so we can find it. And here is the snippet in the folder snippets, product-cart-badges.liquid. Click on it and it will show you a bunch of code in here. No worries. Copy and paste, copy and paste. You can do this just like you are 5 years old. No worries. Get back to the website and you will see a bunch of code in here. I know you guys lazy. Just use this button right here. It will copy the code. So copy it using this button. Get back in here, click on the code just like when you write something on your keyboard. If you are using Windows, click on Control A. I'm on Mac, I'm going to click Command A, and it will highlight the whole code in here and simply delete it. Then you know what to do, simply pasting the code from my website. That's very simple, right? Now click on save button. We saved it, but we didn't finish it, almost. Get back to my website. And after that, scroll a little bit down, we see a second code as you can see. And I added some comments so you can understand if you want to customize. The badge already looks really great. If you want to customize the colors, I added some comments so you can see. This one you can customize the color for it, because as I said, it has a gradient color. So this is the light color, the start of the color, the middle color, and the dark color at the end. And you will see that in a second. And this is the text color on the badge because it shows a percentage. Then use the same icon to copy the code. Then get back in here and use the search bar again to search for base.css. I repeat, base, just like this, base.css. Then click on it and a bunch of CSS code will show up, no worries. Simply scroll down. Let me drag this because it's a huge file. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the file. Then create some space in here. Click front, if in case there is no space, click front of the last thing. In my case, is closing bracket, as you can see. Then hit enter on your keyboard. Here we go. We have a new space to paste in our code. Or which code? The one you copied. Simply paste in the code in here. Then click on save again. Wait for a couple of seconds. It's saved. We will get back in here, reload the page, and see the magic happen. So let's just reload the page. And ta-da, check it out now. As you can see, it shows a percentage and it's interactive and it's shiny. As you can see, once you hover over it, it shows a shine and it calculates the exact percentage. As you can see, this is only 4% and this one 36%, as you can see in the others. And you can customize the gradient. I showed you how to customize the gradient colors, as you can see, and this is the text color, which is the percentage color, to make it perfect and suits your Shopify design. But for now, that's how you show the discount percentage on the sale badge on your Shopify store by using your own custom code and applications involved. So if you have any questions, make sure to drop them below. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.